Yesterday, I ranked my video #1 on Google and YouTube. I'm going to show you real quick and then I'm going to get into the video. So you can do this too. We can show you exactly how to do this for free as one of our bonuses. So real quick, I'm in incognito mode, okay? You can check on Google. This is using a different browser, but it's the same thing, okay? #1 on YouTube, okay? And I'm going to refresh. #1 on YouTube, #1 on this browser, and I'm going to go to Google just so you can see. Okay, Google. You get the actual name of the video. Give me a half a second. Alright, right there. Okay, copy. Copy. Alright, so we're going to go to Google. Just so you see, it's not just one browser. Okay. Badass Network. Okay, so it's #2 right now. Okay. So, two different browsers and YouTube, okay? If you want to learn how to do this exact same thing as one of our free bonuses, not just for you, but for your people too, stick to the end of this video, okay? I'm going to show you more information, okay? Now, let me get to the actual video, okay? Postcard Tycoon review, the $300 a day secret they don't tell you. If you want the exact secret how I ranked my last video #1 on Google and #1 on YouTube within the first 5 hours of it premiering, and how you can use the same strategy to rank any business in any niche, no matter what you're promoting, you're going to want to check out the rest of this blog. But I'm sure you're here for something even more important, a real fact-based Postcard Tycoon review. What it is, who it's for, who it's not for, how it works, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. And then I'll show you the program I personally recommend instead, and why joining through me gives you an advantage most people never get. So what this blog covers, okay? What it actually is, who it's for, who it's not for, how the system works, the real cost, the real compensation, the 5 for life bonus explained, whether it's worth joining today, and why HBA is my #1 recommended program instead, and why joining HBA through me gives you a massive advantage. Okay, Postcard Tycoon is a mail order postcard program created by WTM Publications. The core facts: direct mail business model. You mail physical postcards. Your postcards promote the program. When someone joins you using your ID, you earn a commission. No funnels, no websites, no text, no social media required. Now, obviously, you can do that, but it's not required. It's built for people who want a simple offline income stream. The 5 for life bonus. After you generate 5 sales, you receive 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Now, that's pretty cool. This repeats every time you hit another 5 sales. So I'm going to delete this, obviously, okay? I'm still editing. Most people think postcard programs fail because the system is weak. The truth is the strategy is what makes or breaks you. Who is this for? It's ideal for people who want a simple offline business. People who prefer mailing postcards over posting online. People who don't want to learn digital marketing. People who don't want a duplicatable low-tech system. People who like mail order programs. People who want a straightforward side income. Who is it not for? Not ideal for people who want automation, people who want recurring income, people who want digital skills, people who want a business that scales without mailing costs, people who want a community or team trading system, people who want a long-term digital business. Okay? If you hate mailing postcards, this isn't your vehicle. How it works: you join the program, you receive postcards and leads. You mail the postcards, people receive them, they join using your ID, you earn commissions. After 5 sales, you get the 5 for life income bonus. Now the compensation plan is one-time payment to join, one-time commissions, no monthly fees. So you get paid for one time per person, okay? No monthly fees, no monthly recurring income, no digital products, no automation, no team training system, no built-in duplication. If you want recurring income, Postcard Tycoon can't give it to you. Postcard Tycoon is a legitimate, simple mail order program. It works for people who want offline marketing, want a simple postcard system, don't mind mailing, don't need automation, don't need recurring income. But if you want recurring income, automation, digital training, a real community, leadership, duplication, a long-term business, and a system that grows with you, then Postcard Tycoon is not the best option. If you want a business that grows with you, not because of you, keep reading. Home Business Academy Review. Why or viewing? Because I'm reading the blog. This helps your SEO. It's another super secret hack that I use. Okay, and we teach in our system. Why HBA is my #1 recommended program. HBA is in Home Business Academy. Home Business Academy pays monthly recurring commissions. They follow up, lead capture, and onboarding can be automated. Okay. Digital skills. You learn marketing skills that apply to any business. We have daily calls, weekly masterminds, and real leadership, okay? Your team gets the same training you get. Long-term stability. Promote any business. HBA helps you grow your primary business, secondary business, personal brand, and income streams. Why you join Home Business Academy or HBA through me. HBA is powerful on its own, but joining HBA through me gives you an advantage most people never get. When you join from me, we train you and your people, okay? When you join through me, we train you. It's all we, because I have a person that's a multiple six-figure earner that helps you, okay? I'm going to try to help you, but I have a 9-to-5 right now still, okay? Your team succeeds without you being the bottleneck. You get my full bonus and training ecosystem. You receive the ranking blueprint, my traffic systems, the duplication systems, the scripts, templates, and funnels, including we give you 150 emails, okay? We build your custom branded funnel for you and for your members and their members too. You get daily support of us basically, Monday through Friday, our 9-to-5, Monday through Friday, 9-to-5 support. So yeah, we have a call every Monday through Friday, so 5 days a week. My team-wide training vault. Support that grows your primary business too. We help you grow your main business, whatever that may be, whether it's HBA or another company, your personal brand, your audience, and your long-term income. So not only are we going to help you build your business, whatever it might be, but you're going to get a secondary residual income on the side that pays 80% commissions. It's paid the most residual income in the last 10 years, okay? HBA becomes the engine behind everything you're building. Recurring income and duplication. HBA is recurring, scalable, automated, duplicatable, long-term, skill-building, community-driven. With me, duplication becomes automatic. You get a leader who actually shows up. You're not joining a program, you're joining a leader. I show up, we train, we support, you duplicate. We help you win. There's an extra U in there. Okay. Programs don't change lives. Leadership does. Okay. Join HBA through me if you want a real leader, real system, real duplication, real support, real training, real recurring income, and a business that grows with you. Join HBA with me here. Okay. We're going to make that a link. Okay. That's going to increase our score, right? Copy. It tells you, I'm showing you how cool this is, okay? So we're gonna do this. This is simple. It teaches you how to do it. There's a video about it, but there's also a cheat sheet, okay? And we don't need this anymore. We're gonna make this bold, and we're gonna get rid of the next one, okay? All right. We train you, we train your people, and we'll build something real together. And we train your people's people, okay? So it's totally their generational bonuses, all right? I give them to you as your, I got them from my sponsor. I give them to you as your sponsor. You give them to your people as their sponsor, and they give them to their people as their sponsor, and so on. And we will help you build your custom branded funnel. All our bonuses are duplicatable, including our traffic bonus, but a traffic bonus is the only one that's different. You get all our bonuses at the 10, the 25, or the 125, no matter what residual program you join, okay, as long as it's not the high ticket one-time offer, which is the it costs either $400, $500, or $1,000 depending on when you join, okay, and you can earn $400 or $800 per person, okay, one time though. Okay, so now look at this. This is 68. I think it went up. So now we're going to look at this. We're going to go to rank math. I'm going to make this quick because I got to get to work. Okay, you edit this. Okay, it's already in there. Okay, so now we're going to add an image. Okay, see how this tells you what you need to do. Okay, all the good, all good. There's 5 errors here. Okay. Add an image. Okay, let's do that. With the focus keyword as the text. Okay, so we need that. We're also going to change that real quick. Postcard Tycoon review. So it'll go up. Copy. We're going to change that. Paste. Okay. Now, we're also going to copy. I think we already have it, but we're going to get it just in case. Now we're going to change the image. When this is 75, it will rank. Okay. And it ranks because this site has been up for like 12 to 15 years. They've been blogging for 12 to 15 years. Okay. It has authority. Authority. It is a secret hack. Okay. People stop blogging. It still works. Okay, and if you do the actual strategy, not only do you blog, but then you make a video of you blogging, you're doubling. Okay, everything content. Not only are you saying the writing type, people can read the SEO. You're also speaking it. Okay, very powerful. Okay. Okay, so now we want to add the image. Okay, so we're going to add the image. Okay, we're going to go from media library. This is the Postcard Tycoon. If I have to leave for a minute, my internet's slow. I got a lot of things going on. Including my cell phone won't reboot right now. Okay, we're going to select. We already have everything filled out. Boom. And we went to 69. Okay. And we add a video, that's 70. Okay, it tells you exactly what you need to do. We can't find any internal links in your content. Okay, so now we need to go right here. Okay, so we're gonna find it real quick. Okay, badass network. Blogs, okay. And this is just an example. Usually I get a lot closer to 75 before I record. But I haven't edited it all yet. I just got it to a certain level. Okay, so, and it went to bed the other day. Okay, so right here, and it was just quick and dirty. So that's why there's a lot of errors. So we want to look for the bonuses. Okay. View. Okay, so now we're copying this link, right? This is an internal link. It's another blog, okay? So now we're going to add that, and it's going to go up from 70. Boom, 75. Now I can publish, okay, if I wanted to. I'm not going to, though. You see that? Pretty cool, right? So now I can publish. It went up full 5 points, right? Title readability. If I made this 2026 to go